What's up, Stuff Zone family? Okay, bunch of wires here on display. I'm gonna give a little bit of a wire education here. I know this is super basic for a lot of people, but some people just don't know, so I'm gonna state the obvious. I guess the title of the video is gonna be, well, the main video is about this. This is an awesome wire that I bought. It's 10 feet long, okay? And the length is super important. This is the length that comes with the whatever kind of Apple device that you buy. This was for specifically, I believe, an iPad. Stepping up the computer equipment in my household, and the old charger looked like this. Okay, and had a magnet and this dot, and that's how you charged your laptop. The new way that you charge a laptop and an iPad is with this cable. It's called USB-C, which is confusing because this is the old USB. Okay, old USB, new USB. You could never ever charge a device with this old USB wire, okay? It was just to connect different prohibials together. But this connects different am I saying that right? Prohibials, but it also charges it, okay? So that's kind of like a little bit weird to get used to, especially coming from that. So, okay, awesome. This connects things together and you can charge your device with it, but it's short. You know, so I decided to actually go and buy an extension, and I'm loving it. Let me see if I can get close so that you can see the braid. Oh, it feels so good. It feels sturdy and solid, and these clips are like when you plug it into the device, it snaps in nice and tight. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to make this video to show in person what this wire looks like, what it feels like. I am a fan, okay? And it's all curled up here, but if I were to stretch it out, it would open up to be 10 feet long. So highly recommended if you're in the market for a longer USB-C wire to charge your devices. That's all I gotta say about this one, guys. Give this video a like if you're still watching, subscribe to the channel. Check out some more ish. See you on the next ones.